Hi guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about this SKEJER tablet stand. So this one is nice and small. It's in this gorgeous red color, as you can see. This is my son's favorite color, so this is his. So he uses this especially for schooling, but you can use this for gaming, for entertainment, for work. Anytime you want to have a hands-free moment with your tablet or your phone, then you can rest it on here. So it's completely adjustable. You can choose whatever angle you want. It's nice and stiff, so it stays in place. And then it folds down completely flat, so easy to take with you. This one is really nice and small, so you can even throw it in your purse and it wouldn't take up any room at all. I really like that it's got the rubber bottom, so it's not going to scratch your surface. It also has the same where your phone or tablet rest, so it keeps it nice and secure. And then of course the hole to be able to put your charger through, and it tucks right in there, so it's not in the way at all. So if you're looking for something that you can personalize, because you can choose whatever color you like, but also is really functional, small, portable, and does the job well, I definitely recommend this one from SKEJER, and that's my point of view.